continuing with possessive nouns. If you remember, possessive nouns, we said show ownership because they have the base word possess. So a possessive noun definitely shows ownership. So plural possessive nouns then, plural, would be more than one person, place, or thing that owns something. So that would be plural possessive nouns. So our rules for plural possessive nouns are that what we want to do is look at the noun when it's plural first. Don't think about ownership at first. Just make the noun plural. So let's say we have boy, the word boy, okay? One boy. Now, to make this singular noun plural, what are we going to do? We're going to add an S because we have a vowel before the Y. So now we have boys. If these boys own something, this is plural, boys with an S. Let's say we have 5 boys, and they own hats. 5 boys' hats. So then this is now a possessive plural noun. We add an apostrophe after the S that's already there when it's plural. 5 boys' hats. So let's do another one. Let's say we have girls. 6 girls. 6 girls, and we want to say that they own coats. 6 girls' coats. This is plural. Does it have an S when it's plural? Yes. If it already has an S when it's plural, put an apostrophe after the S. So if we have nouns that end with an S when we make them plural, we can just put an apostrophe after the S. The next rule is if we have words that are not ending with S when we make them plural, like children. This is plural. It does not have an S when it's plural. So if we want to show ownership with this, we want to say the children's toys, right? We're going to have to add an apostrophe S because this did not have an S already. So we add an apostrophe S to words that are plural and they don't end in S. Another example would be geese. Let's say we have 7 geese. And the geese, we're talking about their wings. 7 geese's wings. Because geese is plural, it does not have an S when it's plural. You add apostrophe S. 7 geese's wings, even though that sounds kind of weird. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do teeth. Teeth is plural. It doesn't end with an S. So if we say 5 teeth's enamel, okay, we have to add apostrophe S if we're showing ownership because teeth is plural and it doesn't have an S. So you add apostrophe S. And to review, you can always look at lesson 2.6 in your English text. So let's do a quick practice. Okay, here we have 5 sentences, and I have singular nouns over here that I want you to make plural. So I want you to write the plural possessive for these sentences. So you can pause the video right here while you write your answers on your own paper, and then come back and we'll check them. So let's check together. We have those, and we want to use kid. Those kids' boots are red. So first we're going to make kids plural. K-I-D-S. It does have an S when it's plural, so we're going to put an apostrophe after the S. Those kids' boots are red. Number 2, 5, and we're going to use horses, tails, or braided. So first we're going to make horses plural. We add an S. It does have an S when it's plural, if you thought we're going to put the apostrophe after this, you are correct. 5 horses' tails are braided. Number 3, the child, but we're going to make it plural. The children's toys are broken. So we're going to make children be our plural. Children doesn't have an S when it's plural, so we're going to add apostrophe S. The children's toys were broken. Number 4, those deer tails are white. Deer, we're going to make it plural. To make it plural, we leave it the same. Deer. So now it does not have an S. We're going to add apostrophe S. So the way to tell that this is plural is actually because it says tails. Therefore, we know that this is plural. And our last one, 2 girls' glasses are there. So we're going to make girls plural, 2 girls. It has an S when it's plural. Add an apostrophe after this. So there are our answers. Be sure to ask me if you have any questions in class, or if you need me to look over some of your work.